Why do 90% of pro React Native devs use Firebase for their backend? Stability, speed, and easy setup. Here's how to get started, fast. First, head to the Firebase console and sign in with Google. Click Add Project, give it a name, and follow the prompts. Google Analytics is optional. Next, register your app. Click the Add App icon, choose Android or iOS. For Android, drop your package name in, grab the google-services.json file, and toss it into Android app. Pro tip: add your debug SHA-1 for extra features. For iOS, enter your bundle ID, download Google Service-info.plist, and add it to Xcode. Now, install the magic in your terminal. Run npm install at React Native Firebase/app. Need authentication or Firestore? Install those modules too. Android devs, update your build.gradle files and apply the Google Services plugin. iOS folks, run pod install and make sure Firebase is imported in app delegate. Finally, import at React Native Firebase/app in your JS. No extra setup needed. Hit run and watch your app connect.